Hi everyone. So in the previous class we completed up to the second chapter, 1 to 11 problems we completed. Today we'll go for the 12th problem. So 12th problem is what? If the unit digit of a perfect square is 5, so then the unit digit of its square root is. So first I'll write the perfect squares. See, perfect squares, unit digit must and should be 5. 25 is a perfect square and the unit digit is a 5. So next one, if we go for the next 225, next one is 625. See, 225 is also a perfect square. 625 is also a perfect square. So they asked here, the condition is a perfect square. Okay. So now it's what we want to apply here. It's a square root. It's a square root. So for this number, I am applying the square root. See, I can write this one in the form of 5 into 5. 5 is a 25. So square root now, if I remove the root, so how? See, inside is a square, outside this. This and this will be cancelled. So this is the one method. So remains inside one is a 5. In another method I will write here. Now this is a 225. So there is a 15 15s. 15 15s. So I can write as like, see, it's a 15 square. This root means what? 1 by 2. We can write as like also. You can write as like as. If we do this, simplify that 15 to the power 2 into 1 by 2. 2 cancel. Say 15 to the power 1. So that's answer is 15. Okay. Next 625. 625 also. Already I said up to 30 numbers you must ensure remember. So here 25 is 625. Now I can write in any this method or this method. That's depend upon you. So 25 square and root will be cancelled. Answer is 25. Now what do you want to check here? Here they given unit digit. See, unit digit of the square root. See, unit digit is here 5. So answer is 5. How many logics they given in this only one problem? See, if a unit digit of a perfect square means everybody must and should know the perfect squares. Okay. In that unit digit must and should be 5. Then it's a square root. So apply the square root. Then if you know the simplification, after getting the answer, that unit digit, if you check, afterwards we can write the answer. This is finding the method. Can I explain one more time? Otherwise it's enough. Okay. I will explain this one more time. This time this one. Because this one I wrote in one method and this one I wrote in another method. Once you look at, see, square root of the 25. Okay. 5 is a 25. I can write here the 5 square. Square and root will be cancelled. So remains one is a 5. That is the answer. That is the one first method. Second method, square root of the 225. Here I wrote 15 into 15. That's a 15 square. This root indicates me this root value is a whole power 1 by 2. Whole power 1 by 2. So this one will come in an exponential method. Okay. Now I wrote here the 15 to the power 2. This 2 is as it is into. This bracket means into 1 by 2. See, denominator, numerator cancel. Here the denominator is 1 only. So 15 to the power 1. So 15 to the power value 1 is 1. That is means 15 only. There is no change. 15 one time. So 15 only. So we got that. So next one I wrote that. In 25 into 25 square and root will be cancelled. 25. I think everybody got an idea about this. This is an important one and it will come up to the 10th class. The 13th question. Here, the square root of a prime number can be obtained approximately by not exactly. Is the given statement is true? Means we can find out square root of the prime number approximately. So first we will go for the prime numbers. Okay. So first one is a prime numbers. So prime numbers is 2, 3, 5 as like 1. Okay. So now what we want to find out? Square root. Second condition is square root. As like so. Now square root of the 2. Okay. How we can find out that? Okay. So anybody you know the answer? So answer is as like 1.414213 so 5 6 2 dash dash. It's a go on. There's a no end. Means no number is repeating. Means there is a no repeating pattern. And so these numbers we say the irrational numbers. Already I explained in a previous class. Okay. Is root 3. So root 3 value is 1.732. So 05, 08, 07. It's a go on dash dash. There is no end for that. Here also this root 3 is an irrational number. Means there's no end for that number. If you go on division, then it will come on. Okay. You find out the root 5. Root 5 value by using calculator you do. Okay. So now we'll go for the square root. See, prime number we taken 2 and 3, 5 prime numbers. Square root. I applied. So I got the answer. So now obtained approximate value. Approximately, but not exactly. See, this value is approximately, because when we are writing in our notes or wherever also, we will take decimal afterwards up to 3 digits for the 8th class. 9th and 10th class more 1 digit. Okay. In 12th class we will take up to the 5 digits if you go for the lab. Okay. So this value is called approximate value. It's not an accurate. So it is not an exact value, because see the remaining numbers also there. Yes. So that's why we say this is an approximate value. So see here, this is approximately. So statement, given statement is what? It's a true. Got an idea? Fourteenth question here. If x is a non-zero number, then x into x into x. Okay. So written as a dash and is called the dash. Okay. If we write written as x to the power 3, an exponential method, and is called cube. Okay. And so one side write the number and it's a cube. Here number, it's a cube. So number, and so we write that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, 6. It's a cube, they said. It's a cube means 1 cube. 1 cube means 1 into 1 into 1. So answer is, I think you can, here the 2 cube, that's a 2 into 2 into 2. 3 cube, 3 into 3 into 3. 4 cube, 4 into 4 into 4. That's 5 cube, 5 into 5 into 5. 6 cube, 6 into 6 into 6. Now we'll do it for the answer. Go for the answer. See, 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 1, 1. 2 to the 4. 4 to the 8. 3 3 is 9. 9 3 is 27. 4 4 is 16. 16 4 is 64. 5 5 is 25. 25 is 125. Okay. 6 6 is 36. 36 6 so 6 6 36 upside 3 once again. 6 3 is 18 plus 3 21. 216. Okay. You can do as a calculation also, otherwise you can remember also. 7 cube and 8 cube, 9 cube, and 10 cube. Okay, you can write. So here you can observe one more, means some more points are there that you can observe here. Odd number, for odd, result is odd. See odd number cube, result is odd. See 3 cube, 3 is odd, 27 is also, 5 is odd, 25, 125 and a 5 is the odd. If it is an even cube is even. 4 cube, see 4 is even number, its cube, that is a 64, 6, 4 is, means unit digit is a 4, then it is also a even number. 6 cube, here also, means even number cube, so we can generalize as like, so odd number, its cube equals to odd number only we will get what? Suppose even number, its cube we will get a even number. So as like one question is there in exercise, it will come in the next. Okay, so more the things you want to remember, unit digits. Okay, unit digit also. See, for the 1 we got the 1 only, for the 4 we got the 4 only. So 5 only, 7 6 only unit digit. 7 it will be changed. 8 also it will be changed. 9 9s are 81 9s are once again 9 only will come. 10 0 means 10 into 10 into 10, it's 1000. Okay, unit digit is the same. So that one also you want to observe more. Okay, that's all. Means this 4 points if you remember, you can do very easily. So this one also finding means cube root also it will be. Now I wrote the cube, so we can write cube root also. Okay, that I will explain in the next problem where it will come. That next one is the 15th question, that a number n is a perfect cube only if there are integer in such that n equals. Okay, so nothing is there. See, one number is there. Okay, when we will say this number is a cube in the terms of see here they given m. So simple, that is m into m. Otherwise we can write m cube also. Suppose I will take one example. So 8. So 8 I can write 2 into 2. That I can write 2 cube. So simple, they given that one in a verbal form. What is that? A number n is a perfect cube only if there is an integer m such that n equals to dash. That is simple, that n equals to, that is a m cube. Simple, by the example you can write for another one also. 64, that's 4 into 4 into 4. 125 into 5 into 5 cube. Okay, 216, that's a 6 cube. Okay, as like you can go on. 343, that is a 7 cube. 8 cube also you can write 5 to a line, as like it will go on. 16th question, the smallest number by which 81 is divided to make it a perfect cube. So how we can find out this? So in a question itself is the logic. So that is the smallest number. You have to remember that smallest number is a 1 point, and which the question what is that IT one. And next one is a hint is a divide to make it a perfect cube. What you want to do? Just you want to go for the synthesis method. So there is a, as we see 81. I am going for the prime factorization. You won't go further with the 2 because it's 81. 1 is an odd number. With the 2 it won't go. So next time we go for the 3. So 3, 2 is 6. 2 remains 21. So 3, 7 is. Once again I am going for the 3 only. So 3, 9 is 27. So 3 is 9. So 81 equals to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, to make it a perfect cube. So in that, how many means how many times it must and should repeat? It's a 3 times. So 1 time is extra. 1 time is extra. So suppose 1 time I want to remove means both side I want to do. Both side I want to do. See this side and cutting. So this side divided by this. They ask divided by now. So 3 cut it. Here the 3 ones are. So 3 27s are. 3 27s are. Okay. Means here the what is the needed answer that. So to make it a perfect cube, with what we want to divide? So with 3. If we divide with the 3, then it will become a perfect cube. Perfect cube is what? 27. So some people they will write this as answer. No. So they given see which IT one should be divided to make it a perfect cube is with what number we want to divide to make it that one as a perfect cube. So that is with the 3. So here I applied now. Got an idea? Can I explain one more time? I think most of the people you know this method. Yes? So thing is that here this logic you want to remember, divide. So I done the division with the same. See, 3 times only we needed, 1 time extra. With the 1 time extra means with the same number I am dividing with this side, this side. So 27, this side cancel. So then 3. So now 3 into 3 into 3. That's a perfect cube. That's a 27. Okay? 17th question. So Master Gandhi, are you observing Tushar Gandhi? Are you observing the videos or not? Okay, daily I will ask one member. So you have to give the reply. So here 17th one. The cube of the digits 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9 or the numbers ending in the same digit that 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9 respectively. So what? Here the word is the logic. First we go for the logic. Here the cube. Okay. So I will wait for the 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9. Cube. So 1 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube, 6 cube, 9 cube. Anved, will you tell the answer for this? Okay, so now that 1 cube is 1 into 1 into 1, that is 1. 4 cube is 4 into 4 into 4, that's a 16, 4 is a 64. So 5 cube is 5 into 5 into 5, that is 5, 5 is 25, 5 is 125. So 6 cube is 6 into 6 into 6, 6, 6 is 36, 6 is 216. So 9 cube, so that is 9 into 9, so 9. So 9 is 81. 81 9 is 729. Okay. So once now we will observe the digits. What? See 1 ending with 1, 4 ending with 4, 5 ending with 5, 6 ending with 6, 9 ending with 9. Is it correct, Abhigna? Okay, so answer is what? True. Yes. So here, just only by the simple logic, we can give the answer. Okay. Here the next one is the 18th question. Akshit Verma, concentrate on the board. So cube of the numbers for which the digits in the units place are the 2 and 8 and 3, 7 ends in a dash and dash respectively. Okay, here so 2 cube, 8 cube, 3 cube, 7 cube. So 2 cube is 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. 3 into 3 into 8 into 8 into 8. I take the 64, 8 is 512. So next 3 cube. So 3 into 3 into 3 is 27. 7 cube. 7 into 7 into 7. 7 7 is 49. So 49 7 is 343. Now 2 is ending with 8. Means here the see first one is 8 and 2. See here it is a 8 is ending with 2. So in the 3 cube, the unit digit is 7. 7 cube, unit digit is 3. Means it's vice versa. Aisha Fatima, did you got an idea? Cube of the numbers for which the digits in the units place are the 2, 8 and 3, 7 ends in a dash and the dash respectively. 2 is ending with 8, 8 is ending with 2, 3 is ending with 7, 7 is ending with 3. That's all. 19th question. If a number ends in 2 nines, then it's a cube ends in dash number of the nines. Okay, so I'm taking that 99 cube. So 99 into 99 into 99. So what will be the answer? So calculate it. Manasvi, say the answer here. So answer is 970,299. I think some people are surely means inside they are scolding me as like, sir, now also sir is not leaving. Yes. Okay, Manashri not as like same thing. Okay. So the answer is C. That last 2 digits is 2 nines. So they ask that. So then it's a cube ends in a dash number of the nines. So 2. Okay. 28th question. Aisha Fatima, read once. 28th question. So that says, what is the unit digit in the units place of the cube of 31? Right? 31. Okay. So before going for that, see 1 cube we know. So 11 cube. See 1 cube is 1 into 1 into 1. So 1 only. See 11 cube, that is 11 into 11 into 11. So that is 131. So next one is, so 21 cube also you can write, 31 cube also, whatever also. So what will be the unit digit? I don't bother about this, but unit digit will be 1. Unit digit will be 1 because by the same rule. Okay. So because say when we are doing the multiplication, so 1 cube. So I given the logic also. So directly we can say what is the digit in the units place of the cube of the 31 is. That is answer is 1. Don't bother about this much big number, means no need to do. If you remember the logic, then you can give the answer. Okay. Yeah. In this class we discussed about cubes and how the way of finding the cube and what are the properties and how the unit digit of the cube. So we learn. So problem number 11 to the 20 questions are completed. So once I recapitulate that cube numbers, cube is 1 cube is 1 only, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is a 64, 5 cube is 125, 6 cube is 216, means 216. So 7 cube is 343. See, I am not remembering the number, just I am remembering only digits. So 8 cube is 512. 9 cube is, so 729. Okay. 10 cube is 130, means 1000. So 11 cube is 1331. Okay. So 12 cube is, so 1728. So as like you can go on. Okay. So you can also remember up to how many numbers you can remember, that many. Everybody must ensure to remember these all. See, square numbers up to 20 and cube numbers up to 10 is enough for the 8th class. Don't bother for the more. Okay. And okay. Bye.